What time Falling Gabriel say him get the message? Him get the phone call. Him say get the phone call after 7. Hold on, because I'm supposed to go and find them on the phone, you know.
Shani walking. I'm telling you, time now really.
So what time you just say you reach at the hospital?
Reach out hospital maybe about say. You don't want to tell me that. I tell you say, I know the evening really that far.
But after 7.
No man, no man. Earlier that man. Maybe about say in the maybe about school pass Friday at about 1:30.
Yeah.
So maybe I will say.
Alright. I mean, I don't know who the day me clarify that 1:30 that, because I did that months back, you know. Months back I clarified that. That 1:30 where you hear him talk about this a little while, he might talk about, because we all check it. We fact check that. The 1:30 where you hear him just talk about a little while, because he said no, because school over 1:30, you know. So you see the primary school that he works when you take up a pitting them, that school over 1:30. So he might tell us say that school over 1:30 and Jayden school over 2:30. So at 2 different schools he might talk about, you know. So he might sure say him pick up film pick them already, because 1:30 that one they over, so he pick up film pick and do him to do them already. So by the time he do that and go to the hospital, so now about after 3, so that he might try to explain this so. But
Anyway, after them, the hours say.
After 1:30, they reach hospital.
No man, they reach school, hospital, maybe about say. 3 after the hours, I mean, the later.
And so just the time we try to work. That's a Jayden school over 1 o'clock.
No.
What? Jayden school over 1 o'clock.
they hear him say so Jayden school over 1 o'clock. Him say no, Jayden school over 2:30. So at 2 different schools him just talk about. And when we go and check on the internet, Better Barrow School did over 1:30 for true. So I'm just show you so even the things that what him say and we go and we check them out, even those come up on time. Even those come up on time. So what you guys telling me?
2:30 Jayden school over, right? And then you would have said you reach the school now after the hospital after 3.
Yes.
Yes, sir. And then after you reach the hospital now, the Shani come in.
Shani come right because we don't know. Shani walk in, she attack me.
She walk in at the school, in the hospital.
But the hospital has nothing on the
So was she at the hospital before you come, or was she covered the hospital after you come?
Me tell you, so they just a few minutes before they come.
Alright, so before she come in. So when people look at the time when she
Yes,
school,
yes.
and the time when Shani come at the hospital, because remember, what we were, we were to make sure said the people not judge wrong.
No, but they can't do anything about them.
No man, never say the people.
No, make them do what they have to do.
No, when people do what they want to do, sometimes chaos can.
You see, I believe, you know. I believe from my heart that Mr. T never believed that the family them took away Jayden, because he did not know that they're so evil. And that is the reason why Mr. T has been playing say it as I see it. Mr. T been playing that game. And no, because even if he himself never know our beliefs are them take a Jayden. That's why you see him come blurt it out like that. Trust and believe. Him never know. No say Jayden gone, but him never pre say a them take him away. Cause I say if him know say them take him away, me I tell you say he won't talk, so all I think say talk. Me can bet you that.
Yeah, so the public. So you have to make the thing work out.
No, but we can't remember every time. Remember say me actually be trying to
No man, what me say no. Alright, the thing me and you before me go come down here. What me and you repeat what I say. Yes, and because me tell them say that man him put in and
neither none of we know.
So no, what me do you know? You know I want for case.
And then lose me know say I come from about 2 or 3 years ago.
Me know come here now say me come and plus the world. Yes, and so but you know. And the thing we try to
Trust me.
the time space. Because remember you know There's somebody who the on the study, you know, is Shani.
Look here,
yes, sir.
Shani could have no reason for her Jayden.
Cuba.
Let me tell you, Shani could have no reason for her Jayden. Shani never to Jayden, I'm going to show you. Let me.
Alright, so this is a part I want to listen to and tell me what phone version on this, because in her interview, she said that Mr. T is an introvert, and when she go to the house and call to Mr. T will say, alright, and then gone back in her room. Right? That's what she's saying now. No, that is her version of the story. Listen to Mr. T version now.
Can't talk. Yes, ma'am. Shanique is a little girl who kind of, you know, grow out of the hood. So them not really want, that in our what you call it? The baby shower never keep a yard.
Yeah.
So, you know, so them kind of, a year she'll come.
Yes.
She'll come here. When they come, they go a spurchy for my wife work.
Yes.
My boss up there. So, I don't know if any, you understand?
Yes.
But what I'm saying is that she didn't saw Jayden Friday, none at all. I tell you, I ask you.
So Mr. T says she has not been here for years. Right? Mr. T says she have not been here for years. So I would like to ask her, what part did you go there and call to him and then just say hi and go back in the room, and you're telling us that he's an introvert, and you're telling me that you're not trying to inoculate up his character? Just saying. Guys, I'm telling you something. Right now, from where I'm sitting down, I feel I'm going to keep on saying it until we get one and it's done. I feel like say we want a private investigator. Make we get the private investigator, go through, and then we not get no success, and then we can say, alright, at least we try. You understand? But just did it so, and we need something. We need something. Yeah, we need something, because these people here feel like say them have the upper hand away. But them don't have the upper hand. Well, them don't have the upper hand on me. We can't tell them that right now. They don't. We can't find one of my big interview, you know. But what me I gotta do, let me say for that one now. Guys, we say, we want to hear.
I'm sure if there was a slight evidence or anything that could have put any of us in in that era or in that vicinity to have anything to do with Jayden's disappearance, one of us would have been arrested by now. Everybody has given statements. Everybody has been interviewed. Everybody. I was interviewed. I was asked for statements. I gave my itinerary. I gave everything to the police.
But why would Mr. T, right? Why would Mr. T, right? Okay, so you arrive at the hospital at 7:09, right? And you said that you saw your mom, Mr. T, and Demar. Demar was at the hospital too? With them?
Yes.
And
Yes.
they stayed with you for like an hour, right? And I know you're very intelligent, Shanique, okay?
Very wicked.
I know that, right?
Very lie.
So they stayed with you for an hour, right? So they left, I would say, like after 8 o'clock. So they would reach home maybe like 8:45, right? Why would Mr. T again say he meet up with the police, the Newport police, around 6:30? You see, those are the timelines, you know, Shanique.
I know the timelines.
Yeah.
I know, and I'm sure you realize that everybody, and it's not. I'm talking to you and you realize you can't tell me something scripted or anything like that. This is just me just reliving the days.
Yeah.
You get me? And so he's the only one that came out and just messed up the entire time dynamic. All of us look like we're liars. So I get that, and I was extremely upset. I'm still upset because I still don't have a relationship that we had before, because that I don't understand. And I'm to me just a blame it on alcohol. I am blaming it on alcohol because there's no way him couldn't say all of this, because even divulging some information that was not even necessary, towards what's going on
and that a bun them. And that the part they abon them. Mr. T can chat out the whole of the shit whenever we chat, and that abon them. Trust me.
And I even open the kettle of fish.
The problem is not, you see, the thing is this, right? I'm not saying like even like when I reach out to Isaac Buchanan, right? I know, not Isaac Buchanan, when I reach out to Andre, right? I know that he spoke to Isaac. Okay.
Wicked girl, wicked girl, trust me. Dangerous girl.
The feedback that I received,
she's a
right,
proper manipulator, you know.
Continue with the case.
Well, I don't think she get it from her mother.
They even get recordings that is not in the public domain. Okay? And
I want to ask one question. Them never come tell we say a little bit before the march. We go over YouTube and one man live, and them say the police them go down a Tree Angel Pharmacy, and them collect the CCTV where the girl get the